Just as promised, I will share to you the interview with my Lithuanian employer. Here's the actual pic of my interview. Stay tuned because I will share to you the possible questions and the actual questions I've been through. Hey everyone, mga gwapo and gwapa! Welcome to my channel. If you're new, this is Inday Gwapa making informative videos regarding my journey in applying to Europe. Last month, March 2025, in-inform po kami ng agency na nakaschedule po ako ng interview with our Lithuanian employer. And the employer conducted us an interview via WhatsApp. Pero bago pa mangyari yun guys, nag-send na po sa amin ng information si agency ng mga possible questions na maaaring itanong ni employer. At ito po yun guys. But did you know guys, mostly po ng mga naitanong sa akin on my actual interview is wala po dun sa reviewer. And here's the actual questions of my interview. So dito guys, sinulat ko na po lahat ng mga tinanong sa akin ni employer para wala po tayong mag-miss, okay? So first, ito yung tanong niya sa akin. Could you tell me your work experience in the Philippines? So dito guys, sinabi ko po yung work experience ko sa Pilipinas. May experience po ako as a factory worker. And then dineclare ko po kung ilang years akong nagtatrabaho as a factory worker. And then, at the end of the sentence, idinagdag ko na rin po guys na since na may experience ako as a factory worker for 10 years, sinabi ko po, with this relevant of experience, I believe that I am capable and fit to the position that I am applying for. So next po tinanong niya sa akin is, what attributes you can contribute in the company? So yun. Ang naging sagot ko dito guys is, sabi ko, I am dedicated and hardworking person. Yan. So, choice nyo guys kung pwede nyo pang dagdagan yung sasabihin. Siyempre, kailangan po nating magpa-impress sa employer, okay? And then, next niya pong tanong sa akin, can you tell me about your family? Ayan, so sinabi ko po yung about sa family ko, tapos sinabi ko na rin na may anak po ako guys, okay? And then, tinanong niya kung ilang taon na po yung anak ko, okay? And then, tinanong niya sa akin follow-up questions na if ever daw na makarating ako ng Lithuania, sino daw pong mag-aalaga ng anak ko. Okay? So, sinabi ko yung asawa ko. Okay? So, next niya pong tanong sa akin, what is your educational attainment? So, kung ano daw po yung natapos ko. Dito guys, sinabi ko po na high school graduate sir. Since na factory worker po ang apply ko sa Lithuania, yun lang din po ang sinabi ko na natapos ko guys. Okay? Pero guys, ako po is nakapag vocational and undergrad ng college. Pero hindi ko na po yun i-declare guys. Okay? So, next niya pong tanong sa akin is, do you have experience abroad? Okay? So, sinabi ko po, no sir. And then, last pong tinanong niya sa akin, why you want to work in Lithuania? So, dito guys, sabihin niyo po kung ano yung goals nyo, yung purpose nyo, kung bakit po kayo mag-a-abroad or kung bakit kayo magtatrabaho ng ibang bansa. Alright? So, nung time po na in-interview ako guys, hindi na po ako nakapag-conduct ng screenshot with our employer and also nakapag-record ng actual interview dahil pinagbawalan po kami ng agency. And of course, we must to respect the rules in our agency as an applicant. Okay? So, tandaan nyo po guys, lahat ng mga possible questions and actual questions na i-share ko po sa inyo guys. Mas maganda guys, mag-take down notes po kayo para in case na sumalang po kayo or sumabak na kayo sa interview nyo with your Lithuanian employer, meron po kayong kahit papano na ideas. Lalong-lalo na po na meron din pong mga nanonood ng ating vlog na mga applicant din po ng same na agency na aking in-applyan. Okay? So, good luck guys at magdasal muna bago sumalang sa interview. Alright? Tips and tricks, guys, you have to compile and take down all the necessary information na kakailanganin nyo for the possible na tatanong ng employer sa inyo. Okay? So, bear in mind, guys, na this is an optional only. So, itong ginawa ko, guys, isinulat ko lang po sa isang bond paper ang lahat ng possible na itatanong ng employer and then sinagutan ko na rin po. Siyempre guys, kailangan po nating i-memorize some of information para hindi po tayo ma-mislead. Okay? Next tip po guys is take time to read an English book. This is to enhance our capacity in speaking in English language. Okay? So this is only an optional if you want to follow or not. It's okay. Alright? But this is my way in comprehending my language speaking. Last tip po guys, don't forget to wear your smile during the interview. This is for good impression with the employer, alright? As a result guys, I've passed my interview with my Lithuanian employer and got featured by our agency for the process of BFS DAN application. Wow! And that's it for this video guys. Hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I uploaded my new videos. This is Inday Guapa always saying if you have a dream, there to make it happen. Bye! So up next, I'll be sharing with you my actual process in my VFS application. See you on my next vlog. Bye!
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from Little Yas to